don't think you want to be going backwards. Oh no! Yep. Oh my god! Oh, I'm so... Oh my god. I mean, my entire socks, my underwear is now completely soaked. I mean, yeah. At least this is waterproof, so I don't have to worry about that. I don't usually ride the water rides, but this is like the last thing I'm going to do before I leave. My friend told me to record yourself riding it, so he's going to love this, I'm sure. Yeah, I'm all of a sudden like freezing after that too. I'm like hot walking around. Woo! I don't think I have anything dry to wipe the lens off. Usually these things, they put like a bar so you can put your feet up so you don't get, yeah, but yeah. Not this one. Uh-oh. Oh, it's spreading the wealth on this one. Everybody's getting their turn. Uh-oh. Oh, wow. I don't know why I'm even bothering. My shoes are already soaked. It doesn't matter. Oh, wow. Look at the floor.
Oh, we get raised now.
Oh, God. Going up. Missed that one. Oh god. Once you do it once, you're just like, it doesn't matter now.